Now let's break down the moment you've all been waiting for, and that's CZ's $60 million Bitcoin price prediction. Shall we? Let's kick this baby off. Here we go. JV, that would be me. I'm going to talk about myself in the third party, a crypto YouTube influencer. Remembered CZ's prediction that Bitcoin would reach $10 million per coin. But hear me out. JV referred to a statement in a recent video uploaded on YouTube where he analyzed various aspects of the Bitcoin market development. JV looked back at CZ's Bitcoin prediction while analyzing the Binance CEO's recent Twitter comments in a Q&A session on July 5th. CZ addressed several issues, including Binance's reaction to the ongoing regulatory scrutiny, and also spoke about the rising interest of institutional investors in cryptocurrencies and the proposed BlackRock ETF. Send it, let's go. CZ made the $10 million price prediction back in September of 2021, following MicroStrategy's announcement of allocating Bitcoin for their corporate strategy. So keep that in mind. When they were the first corporate company to put Bitcoin on the balance sheet, we're talking about Michael Saylor's company, MicroStrategy. This was at the end of September of 2021, and the Bitcoin price at the time was trading just north of $60,000. This was 2 months before hitting the all-time high of $69,000, just FYI, so you know. So yeah, check this out. CZ based his analysis on the possibility of several corporate companies across the world allocating 1% of their corporate treasury into Bitcoin. And according to CZ, that can lead to a 1,000x growth in the value of Bitcoin. So you do the math. At $60,000 per coin, which was in September when CZ made this prediction, times 1,000x, simple math, that's $60 million per Bitcoin. Send it and let's freaking go. Let me know if you agree or disagree with CZ. JV highlighted CZ's welcoming approach to institutional investors in the Bitcoin ecosystem. CZ noted the advantages traditional finance firms brings to the crypto industry, despite concerns about their intentions clashing with Bitcoin's decentralized nature. And according to JV, CZ identified 2 factors driving the Binance strategy for the next 18 months. They include the upcoming Bitcoin halving, which is now scheduled to be roughly 6 months out and take place in April of 2024, as well as the growing interest of institutional investors in the crypto industry, which we know is around the corner as well. Once we get the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, it can send trillions into the Bitcoin market. He also noted that both factors would lead to Binance bracing up for higher trading volumes. The Bitcoin community expects the next halving, as you know, in April, less than now, 6 months out. And in an aspect of the Bitcoin algorithm designed to control inflation and promote Bitcoin scarcity, past halving events resulted in significant growth of the Bitcoin price action, and users expect a similar scenario when the Bitcoin halving occurs in 2024. So there you have it, fam. It's just a matter of time. 6 months out, we're more than likely to not only have the Bitcoin halving, one of the biggest catalysts in the Bitcoin market, but also get that approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF, probably more than likely going to be BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world. Combine that with the unprecedented supply shock, as there's currently less than 2 million Bitcoin sitting on the exchanges. And for these major asset managers around the world, from BlackRock to Fidelity to ARK21, etc., they need to be holding on to the underlying asset. So can you say supply shock? Send it and let's freaking go.